Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're joining me today. You know how much I love bringing the outdoors in, and today we're tackling a fun design challenge, transforming your shower into a mini indoor oasis. We're talking about the top 5 best plants that will absolutely thrive in your shower. And the best part? These plants are low maintenance, budget friendly, and just love all that wonderful humidity your shower provides. No green thumb required. We'll chat about why these plants are perfect for your shower, and I'll share some easy tips to keep them happy and healthy. So, if you're ready to transform your shower into a spa-like retreat with some gorgeous greenery, stick around. You're not going to want to miss this. First up, let's talk about spider plants. You know those beautiful cascading plants that always seem to brighten up a room? Well, they also happen to adore the humid environment of a bathroom. Spider plants are like little air purifiers, cleaning the air while they soak up the moisture from your shower. They're incredibly low maintenance too. Indirect sunlight is best for these beauties, so a spot near your shower window is perfect. You'll know they're happy when those little spiderettes start shooting off of the mother plant. Just imagine, you're stepping into your shower surrounded by these cheerful, air-purifying wonders. Talk about a breath of fresh air, right? To keep your spider plants happy, allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. You can test it with your finger. If the top inch feels dry, it's time for a drink. Now you might be thinking, what if my shower doesn't get much light? Well, don't worry, because spider plants are super adaptable. They can tolerate lower light conditions, just like the next plant on our list. If you're looking for a plant that truly embodies lushness, look no further than the Boston fern. These beauties are like a little piece of the forest, bringing a sense of tranquility and peace to your shower. And let me tell you, they love a good steamy shower just as much as we do. Boston ferns thrive in humidity, making your shower the perfect environment for them. Think about their natural habitat, shady, moist forest floors. Your shower provides just the right amount of moisture these ferns crave. Plus, they act as natural air purifiers, removing toxins and improving air quality. It's like having a little spa right in your own bathroom. When choosing a spot for your Boston fern, opt for a location that receives bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch their delicate fronds, so a spot near a window with filtered light is ideal. To keep your Boston fern happy, water it regularly, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. You can also give it a little extra humidity by misting it with water every few days. Just like the spider plant, the Boston fern thrives on that extra moisture in the air. With a little love and care, your Boston fern will reward you with its lush, vibrant beauty, transforming your shower into a green oasis. Next, let's talk about a plant that's as charming as it is resilient, the pothos. Now, if you're anything like me, you might not have the greenest thumb in the world, but let me tell you, pothos plants are practically indestructible. They can handle a little neglect, making them the perfect choice for busy folks, or those new to the plant parenting world. Pothos are known for their trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, adding a touch of whimsy to any space. And when it comes to showers, they're right at home. The humidity helps their leaves unfurl to their fullest, creating a cascade of green that's both vibrant and refreshing. Plus, they're incredibly easy to care for. Pothos prefer bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions, making them perfect for showers that don't get a ton of natural sunlight. Just like the other plants we've talked about, they enjoy the humidity of your shower, so you don't need to worry about overwatering them. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings, and you'll be good to go. One of the things I love most about pothos is how affordable they are. You can usually find them at your local nursery or garden center for a steal, making them a budget-friendly way to add some life to your shower. Now, if you're looking for a plant that's both elegant and low maintenance, the peace lily is your new best friend. These beauties are known for their striking white blooms, which stand out beautifully against their lush, dark green leaves. And the best part? They don't mind the low light and humid conditions often found in showers. Think of peace lilies as a touch of serenity for your shower. Their graceful blooms and air-purifying qualities create a sense of calm and tranquility. They're like a little piece of zen right in your own bathroom. Peace lilies are surprisingly adaptable and can tolerate lower light conditions, making them perfect for showers that don't get a lot of natural sunlight. However, they do appreciate bright, indirect light. So if your shower has a window, that's a bonus. When it comes to watering, peace lilies like to be kept evenly moist, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings, and you'll be golden. These beauties thrive on the humidity in your shower, so you won't need to worry about misting them. With their elegant blooms and easygoing nature, peace lilies are a wonderful addition to any shower, adding a touch of sophistication and calm to your daily routine. Lucky bamboo is as unique as it is easy to care for. Despite its name, it's actually a type of dracena, believed to bring good fortune and positive energy. The best part? You don't need soil, just water. Lucky bamboo thrives in water, making it perfect for your shower. Its beautiful, spiraling stalks add a touch of zen and effortless style to any bathroom. Well, there you have it, friends. Our top 5 plants that are sure to thrive in your shower: the air-purifying spider plant, the lush Boston fern, the resilient pothos, the elegant peace lily, and the unique lucky bamboo. Each one brings its own personality and charm, transforming your shower into a spa-like retreat. I encourage you to try adding 1 or 2 of these beauties to your shower and see the difference it makes. Not only will they add a touch of life and color to your bathroom, but they'll also purify the air and create a more relaxing atmosphere. It's amazing how a little greenery can completely transform a space, don't you think? Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite plants to keep in your shower? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.